The unorthodox from all from Sri Lanka, Murli. Murli is back into the attack. 7 overs, 48 for 4. The bowling line length was really good, but went just outside the leg stump line. Went for wide. 49 for 4. Oh, that's good comeback. Excellent bowling. A bit of pace and good line and length. Batsman was looking to play towards point. Completely a swing and miss for him. Oh, that's very good bowling. He can expect that ball to bowl, and with that, make some noise for Pune Royals. Unke 50 run pure. Can we have a big round of applause for Pune Royals? 50 up. 50 for Pune Royals. 50 धावा आणि 4 गडी बाद. Pune Royals score. Short pitch ball, and that's umpire signaling wide ball, Mr. Rohit Pol. Once again, no chance for the batter. Good bowling from Murli. The score is 51 for 4. Again a swing and a miss. Back to back, very good bowling from Murli. Looking to play towards that leg side region. Maybe he can try to hit offside instead of onside. That's gone high in the air. It will land safe. Oh, that's good judgment by the fielder to stop that. Only a single run. Very good fielding by Kavindra from long on to the straight to the pitch. This time a bit of fumble and misfield. That will count 4 runs. 4 रन के लिए धमाकेदार 4. This time a fuller length delivery, and oh, that's very good football skill. Suddenly Messi enters. Excellent stop. Is that end of the over? End of the over number 8. It's 57 for 4. Pune Royals. आखिरी 2 ओवर है बाकी. देखना होगा आखिरी 2 ओवर में क्या 70 का आंकड़ा पार करेगी पुणे रॉयल्स. 8 षटक 57 धावा आणि 4 गडी बाद. पुणे रॉयल्सचा स्कोर. अतिशय सुंदर आणि चांगला परफॉर्मन्स टीम हुबळीने इथे केलेला आहे. अँड नाउ लेट्स सी पुणे रॉयल्स. शेवटचे 2 षटक उरलेले आहे. जास्तीत जास्त धावा करण्यासाठी आहे सज्ज सचिन आणि सुवम. सुवम 17 धावा 9 बॉल 1 4 1 6. And we have Venkatesh aka Venki into the bowling attack. The field settings. Short third man point. We have short deep cover, short extra cover, long off, long on. Deep square leg. We have the fielder at cow corner. We are the fielder at deep mid wicket. Oh, that's very good bowling. Clean bowled. Excellent bowling performance. That's what a start from Venkatesh. Into the block hole, looking to play swing and a miss. Off stump being broken. Wicket number 5 of Pune Royals. 8.1, 57 for 5. That's 57 for 5 after 8.1. 57 पे 5. This time swing and a miss. Looking to play leg side across the line for a big one. And that will go all the way deep backward square leg. 4 runs. That is what they needed. We're talking about that 70 runs on the board. They can easily get it now. The score is rising now to 63 for 5. With that boundary. Last ball of the 9th over. Once again, that will go all the way. Back-to-back boundaries. 4 run. बैक टू बैक 4. जंगलों में शेर, बागों में मोर. बैट्समैन ने मार दिया 2 बैक टू बैक 4. खटैक. 9 overs gone. 67 for 5. Pune Royals. यही सोच और विचार के साथ उतरे हैं अब ज्ञानो जी, कैप्टन. 9 of 3 with 2 fours. ऐसा लग रहा है ज्ञानो जी कैप्टन बहुत लेट आए हैं, लेकिन लेट आए हैं बस सेट बनेंगे जरूर. 9 over 67 for 5. After 9 overs, 67 for 5. Last over coming up of the first match of the Canara Bank Premier League 2025. Let's see what they will set up a big target for Team Hubri. Kavindra is back into the attack. 7 number jersey. Kavindra for a reason. Last over of the first innings. Long on fielder, we have Widish. Long off, we have the fielder at cow corner. We had a fielder at deep mid wicket and square leg to handle. Short mid wicket, short third man. Oh, good bowling, swing and a miss. Good start from Kavindra to bowl the final over of the first innings of the very first match of the Canara Bank Premier League, 2025. Down the track, he played towards long on region. Will they come back for two? But Venki is very quick to throw that ball to the non-striker end. Only a single run conceded. Oh, that's a great hit. And gone, run out. One more wicket fall of team Pune. Excellent performance. Both the teams had performed really well. And it's very hard to play a tennis ball in this a big match of Canara Bank with the temperatures rising 34, 35 degrees centigrade. It's not easy to play in these conditions. But the energy is on. Last three balls, 68 for 6. That's very good bowling. Dot ball coming up the last two balls of the first inning. 68 on the board. 68 for 6. Will Vishal will hit that two boundaries? Or Kavindra will take a wicket? Deep cover is now inside the cover, and square leg is deep square leg. It's very good bowling. Yet another dot ball, and coming up the last ball of the first innings. 68 for 6. He has just conceded one run. Would you believe it? Only one run in 5 balls. And is bowling the final over of the first innings. Something special, something magical. This time is played. Definitely they will come back for 2. The throw at the non-striker end. What's the umpire's call? The batsman is well inside the crease. So 2 runs, 70 on the board. And the target is 71. Canara Bank Premier League 2025. That's end of the first inning play of the very first match. At the initial, Team Hubri won the toss, decided to field first. They invited Pune Royals to bat. Start was really good. In the middle order has performed really well. If you're talking about the batting performance, Sanket 6 of 10 with 1-4. Swapnil 16 of 16 with 3 fours. Mohammad Ansari coming at number 3 added 8 of 6 with 2 fours. Suvam 17 of 10 with 1-4 and 1-6. Rohit 1 of 4. Sachin 6 of 12. Gyanoji the captain coming 9 of 4. The extras was 7 and 10 over 70 पे 6. And now next match toss. कौन बनेगा टॉस का बॉस? The second match between Mumbai versus Hyderabad. Sir. Ranjiv sir. I request Mr. Ranjiv sir को बुलाने का. Okay, Sunrisers, Hyderabad and Mumbai. So who will call? Mumbai, you will call. Tails is a call. Tails it is. Mumbai, you won the toss, and what you will decide?
We'll bowl first.
Reason for bowling first?
Considering the conditions of the ground, considering the depth of the ground, we'll try to defend. We'll try to obstruct the team. We'll try to defend. We'll ask them to go for lesser runs. Then we can chase it down.
Okay, so how is the feeling? The temperature is rising, but still the excitement is on. First match, how is the feeling?
It is humid. Temperature is more here. Humidity is more. But we are used to this condition since we are from Mumbai. So we don't have any problem for the temperature or humidity. We'll do good. And best of luck for the team. Thank you.
Team Hyderabad, what is the strategy of batting first? So it will be like 100 plus score will be the big total.
Yes, definitely. But considering the dimensions, we should not keep that shorter side in mind. But definitely, we will give put up competitive score and let them try for.
Spectators are watching you live. What is the feeling? So we'll have a check. How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Okay, so news from the center. Team Mumbai, they have won the toss, elected to bowl first for the second match. For the second match, we'll have the chase of Team Hubli. Will chase 71 runs. Stay tuned and very much all the best for both the captains. And those who are watching live, a fantastic broadcasting from Team Go Live. So subscribe and press the bell icon to get the regular updates of the matches of Go Live. You can like, you can comment. You have the live chat option, you can comment. You can have a cheer up something for the team. And stay tuned. Okay, we have 2-7 number jersey. Thala for a reason. Coming for the opening pair to bat for Team Hubli, 71 to chase. Hello and welcome back once again. One of the exciting contests is going on. Canara Bank Premier League 2025. A warm welcome, a very good afternoon to everyone out here. First match, Team Hubli versus Team Pune. Pune has scored 70 runs in first 10 overs. Now the next 10 overs, 71 to chase for Team Hubli. कौन बनेगा विजेता, कौन बनेगा बाजीगर, कौन बनेगा मुकद्दर का सिकंदर? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's play. Can we have a big round of applause for both the teams? Aditya on strike, Venugopal on non-strike. Rameshwar will start, tossed up delivery, into the gaps. Will the fielder will stop? Let's see. No, that will go all the way for 4 runs. What a start. पहला बॉल 4 रन, धमाकेदार 4 भेज दिया है सीमा रेखा के बाहर. Good strike. The low toss to delivery, and he was well driven into the covers for 4. Oh, that's good comeback. The full length delivery this time, looking to play for a big one. Good comeback by the bowler. Back to back. A good comeback. अंकित को बोलना पड़ेगा. वो लोग उधर बैठे लगते हैं. That's a big shot. Big shot. Oh, that's given 11 players. Caught behind. And that's gone. A big wicket fall of Team Hubri. Excellent bowling performance from Team Pune. Pune Royals. The Blue Army has done the magic. Now the captain. Coming at number 3 now, the captain of Team Hubri, Srinivas. First wicket fall after 4 ball being bowled. 4 for 1, Team Hubri. 4 गेंदबाज 4 पर 1. Oh, the effort by the fielder was totally, but just bit of misfield, and that will go all the way for 4 runs. With that, the score 8 for 1. And this time pulled away for 6 runs. Captain striking well. End of the over number 1, 14 for 1, Team Hubri. This is the power start they have made in the first inning also, in the bowling attack, now with the batting attack. Team Hubri at their best. 1 ओवर 14 पर 1. अब जीत के लिए चाहिए 57 रन 9 ओवर में. 57 to get from 54 balls. It's very easy to chase. A run a ball for Team Hubri. That's a cracking start from the captain. Now Venugopal will face the first ball. And Captain Gyanoji into the attack. You're watching a fantastic match, all live from Go Live Broadcasting. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the match updates. Also, you can have a live chat comment. Share this stream to all the Canara Bank supporters. All the employees are watching this live match, a fantastic live match. The target is 71 to chase for Team Hubri. Something change in the field settings from Team Pune. Pune Royals. Captain Gyanoji have something different plan. We can speed up fast because we have many games to be played. 4 games remaining. All the knockout matches to be played today. Knockout semi-final and final. The fielder is deep mid-wicket. And they have deep cover. The 2 fielders outside the circle for the 3 overs of power play. Gyanoji to captain. The battle between captain versus captain. Very interesting to watch. Gyanoji versus Srinivas. Oh, that's very good bowling from skipper Gyanoji. He's having something talk with Srinivas. What will you have in the breakfast? And what will you have in the lunch? खाने में मेन्यू क्या है? स्कोर है 15 पर 1. फोन कर दो. नहीं वो उधर तक नहीं जाता आवाज जाता ही नहीं उधर. वो लोग उधर रहेंगे. किधर है विनय है? किधर है? और मैं उनको फोन करता हूँ. विनय ये स्कोरर को कुछ टीम शीट चाहिए तो आपके पास है क्या? लिख रहे हैं ना. अच्छा वो लिख रहे लेके आ रहे. ठीक है ठीक है. Gyanoji once again. And this time sensible played, going back foot and playing that towards covers and single run taken. We are umpire standing Mr. Ram Saroj and square leg umpire Mr. Prashant Rege. And now we have Mr. Rohit Pol is having some rest as of now. Oh, that's slow ball, toss a delivery, and that's being hammered for 6 runs. Excellent timing, very well played. 6 रन के लिए धमाकेदार जोरदार 6 माइंड में किया था फिक्स. इस 6 रन के साथ स्कोर हो गया है 23. स्कोर था 17 लेकिन किसको नहीं था खतरा, मार दिया है 6 रन. 23 पे 1. वेणुगोपाल गुड स्ट्राइक. This time being played, what's the umpire's call? Oh, it's very good stop. No ball signal by the umpire from Mr. Ram Saroj. No ball and single run. With that 2 runs extra, 25 for 1. They need 46 now. And Gyanoji having discussion with the umpire. 1.5 25 पर 1. 46 runs. Coming 49 balls. Very tough situation for. It's a free hit ball. Yes, a free hit delivery. Oh, that's gone. Miles in the air. That will go 6 runs. Excellent timing. Good shot. Powerful strike from Srinivas. Srinivas, the captain. Second 6 from his bat. He's batting 7 of 6. 1 4 and 2 sixes. 2 ओवर के बाद 31 पर 1. What a start. 2 over 31 for 1. 8 ओवर में चाहिए 40 रन. So that's only 5 runs every over. Good batting from Srinivas and Venugopal. Venugopal playing 8 of 3 with 1 6. Srinivas skipper 17 of 6 with 1 4 and 2 6. Strike rate of 283. Would you believe it? Let's see who will be the bowler from Pune Royals to defend this target. Very tough now. Last over of the power play. 2 over 31 पर 1. Ulti-pulti shot, but straight to the fielder. And that's green bowled. ये है क्रिकेट का खेल. कभी खुशी कभी गम. कौन बनेगा मैच का सिंघम. Todi Nakyu, Podi Nakyu, and stumps no Bukko Nakyu. That's a wicket fall. And still the chance is on for Pune Royals to come back in the match. That's the wicket. Second wicket fall. Very well played. Very well played by Venugopal. The new batter, Kavindra, comes to the crease. 31 for 2. Oh, that's very good bowling. There is no LBW wicket, there is no leg by. Very short and simple format of the open tennis cricket. That's gone high in the air. Will he get a distance? Yes, he has. 6 runs. Straight down the ground. Straight as perfection as a perfect chiming from Kavindra. The dugout is having something excitement, something fun. और बैट्समैन ने उड़ा दिया है बॉलर का मन. Once again, he has dispatched outside the park. 6 runs. Excellent timing. 6 runs. Back to back 6. Mind में किया था fix. Kavindra at his best. 2 back to back big hits, making the target very easy to chase. They want to deal in boundaries, not in singles. You're watching live from Khalsa College ground, Matunga, Mumbai, the first match of the Canara Bank Premier League, Mumbai Circle. Second inning of the first match is on. And now 43 for 2. They need only 28 runs in coming 7 overs. 3 ओवर के बाद 43 for 2. 7 ओवर में चाहिए मात्र 28 रन. 4 रन प्रति ओवर. Twelve runs of that previous over. So end of the over number 3. 43 for 2. 28 from coming 42 balls. It's looked like they will just end in 6 overs. Coming 3 overs they can get. And now the skipper on strike, Srinivas. And we have Rohit in the bowling. Left arm, medium. Good start with the bowling. A bit of bouncing delivery. And batsman swing and a miss, looking to play towards that point region. Straight to the wicket keeper. 28 run chahiye, 41 balls. In the air, 1 bounce. Good fielding. Only a single. So very easy now for Team Hubri to win this match. But you never know what Pune Royals have something different action plan. If they can take a quick wicket or a hat trick, can do something special in the first match. Looking for the reverse sweep shot, completely missed it. So very good bowling into the block hole. No chance for the batter. Maybe he can flick. That could be the fine leg region for a boundary. But very good bowling from Rohit. Once again, this is what Pune Royals needed. Dot ball can also work. If they're not getting the wicket, dot balls will help them to defend the target. Only 1 run given. फील्डर जाने वाला फील्डिंग में जाना रहता अरे अंपायर को गिर रहा है इसको बोलो मेरी तरफ मारेगा मैं पकड़ूंगा कि नहीं. Only 27 needed in 6.1 hours left. मात्र 1 रन दिया है 5 गेंदों में. क्या कुछ करेंगे कमाल पुणे रॉयल्स. एक्सीलेंट बॉलिंग. एक बार जोरदार तालियां फॉर रोहित. ओनली 1 रन कंसीडेड एट दिस प्रेशर सिचुएशन. 4 ओवर 44 पे 2. 6 ओवर में चाहिए 27 रन. तो ये है क्रिकेट का खेल. ना तलवार ना शस्त्र ना दोस्त ना मित्र और ये खेल है बड़ा विचित्र. 4 ओवर 44 पे 2. टीम हुबड़ी. It's like a roller coaster ride for both the teams. Still the question is on who will win this match. 6 over 27 run. Not a big deal for Pune Royals. Not a big deal for Team Hubli. Spectators are confused. कौन जीतेगा match? Can we speed up fast a little bit?
बॉलर कोण आहे बॉलर
27 to get from 6. And after this match, we have the next match coming up, the second match of the Canara Bank Premier League. It will be between Mumbai versus Hyderabad, as Mumbai already won the toss, elected to bowl. So the next match between Vadapa versus the Biryani. The current match between Puneri Misra versus Mysore Masala Dosa is on. Pune versus Hubli. Still effort is on from Pune Royals. One important announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, lunch will be served at 1 p.m. onwards. Lunch will be served at 1 p.m. from 1 p.m. onwards. So please be ready to enjoy a meal on time. 1 बजे से भोजन शुरुआत होगा दैट नियर बाय टर्फ. So players and guests, please a note, lunch break will begin at 1 p.m. So get ready to refuel and recharge yourself. Wow, that's gone for a big one. Outside the park, भेज दिया है सीधे तारामंडल में 6 रन के लिए. जबरदस्त जोरदार प्रहार भेज दिया है आर पार. गेंद को भेज दिया है सीधे एयर होस्टेस के पास 6 रन के लिए. पावरफुल स्ट्राइक. What a strike from Kavindra. Oh, white ball and 4 runs. So 5 extras coming up to the total added. So only 11 needed. A 2 big hit and that's it. It's just a matter of 3 balls for Kavindra and Srinivas. The partnership is burning. 29 or 15 balls between this pair. And this is the winning partnership for Team Hubli. Cameraman is having a tough job on the outfield. What a work. Oh, that's very good bowling from Suam. End of the over or... Oh, that's end of the over. 5 ओवर के बाद 60 पे 2 मात्र 11 रन की दरकार है. देखना होगा किसकी सरकार है. We cannot predict still who will win this match. Can Royals कुछ मसालेदार मैजिक करेंगे अब. So one important announcement to all the spectators present over here. Lunch will be served from 1 p.m. So please ready to enjoy a meal on time. Lunch break will begin at 1 p.m. So get ready to refuel and recharge. उधर तक जाएगा. 11 needed, only 11 runs needed. 5 ओवर के बाद 60 पे 2, 60 for 2 after 5, only 11 runs needed. Only sir, no? Okay. Only sir and शशांक इथपर्यंत जायला आवाज मग समजा माईक घेऊन गेलो मी उधर वो टर्फ पे जाता हो और माइक बोलता हो तो आवाज आएगा ना इधर तक आ जाएगा ना. With that single now, मात्र 10 रन की दरकार है. क्या टीम हुबड़ी की सरकार है. इस बार उठा दिया है हवा में गेंद. विल लैंड सेफ. विल दे कम बैक फॉर 2, विल दे कम बैक फॉर 3. 2 runs taken. पहला मैच play towards the fielder and that will go for 4 runs. A cracking shot. Only Kavindra and Srinivas are enough to just finish off in style. So only 4 runs needed. मात्र 4 रन की जरूरत है इस मैच को जीतने के लिए. क्या ये विनिंग शॉट. White ball, so 3 needed. That's played elegantly, a flick shot. The fielder from cow corner, only a single. So need only 3 runs. That will go for dot ball. And that's end of the over number 6. 69 for 2, so 2 needed. So correction is 2 runs needed, 2 runs. 2 रन जरूरत है इस मैच को जीतने के लिए. और अगले मैच के लिए मुंबई टीम है तैयार और हैदराबाद टीम है तैयार. I request everyone to stay hydrated before the match. You can have a Nimbu Sharbat is arranged near the turf area. So you can have it. And from 1 p.m. And that's it. Finished off in style for 6 runs. Can we have a round of applause for Team Hubli? A comprehensive win in the first match of the Canara Bank 2025. That's the victory, first match. And they qualified for the next match. And now coming up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all the spectators, wait and watch, because the encounter has just begun. And now we have the second encounter coming up. That is between Mumbai ka Vada Pav versus Hyderabad ki Biryani. Mumbai versus Hyderabad. Team huddle going on of Mumbai team. Hyderabad team huddle is nearby turf. Cameraman, you can focus on Orange Army, and we have the Mumbai Army. Excellent umpiring from Mr. Prashant Rege. Rohit Pol is joining with Ram Saroj. The heat is rising, the tension is rising, but the excitement is not decreasing. The excitement is rising.